Yo, Sama, what's going on, bud? Welcome back. Wow, that was really bad. How you doing? How's it going? Been a while. That's better. Mostly been focusing on your game engine project. Hell yeah. How's that coming along? Oh shit. You managed to add 3 out of 5 code languages within support. Wow, that's awesome. What? What's your what's your game engine again? It's like why? Sorry, it's been a while. You're doing something, I know. Something cool. I just forget what. Alright, we need to really rein this in. Python, JavaScript. Yeah, but what's the game engine do? Like, what's the point of it? Just making it for fun, or is it solving a problem? I forget. I'm not trying to insinuate anything. I genuinely do not remember. You made to create mods for games and make your own game. What does that mean? Mods for games? Mods for other people's games? Map making. Yeah, but why your game engine? You're saying it's just for fun? I'm asking the hard-hitting questions. All right, I'm missing just some. Oh, kitchen. That's right. Because I can't keep switching programs, so I'm making an all-in-one. Why are you switching programs? What does one game engine not offer that another one does that you need both? So it's like actually solving an issue that you have. What am I correct about? Like, this is going to save you time. The fact that you can create a game. There's not all-in-one game engines? I thought like Game Maker Studio was like an all-in-one. What do you have to do? You can't do everything in it? Or like Godot. You can't do everything in Godot? I don't know. I haven't used them, so I have no idea. You can give objects 3 different properties based on what it was. Language. So on the other cannot perform. Hey! What up, Pond Programmer? Now you're back to the YouTube Shorts live feed. Very cool. Nope, did not mean to do that. Wait, what was that? Why am I on Twitch? Oh, I must have hit a link. Sama, I still don't understand what the hell your game engine offers that other game engines do not. You can't create objects in other game engines? You want to create objects in different programming languages? Why? You can't do everything in C++ or... Oh, so you're just fucking around? So you want to make multiple objects in different programming languages? I don't even understand how you make an object in a programming language. What does that mean? Defining an object in a programming language? I mean, my objects are just images that move around. One more time. Kind of want one on the right, on the left side. Use C# for my game engine editor, but the whole backend is C++. Huh. You can add a script to an object, and it will only affect that object, basically. But when you render the game that you're making, what happens? Like, how does it work? Like, will the script does something to the object in your game? Probably getting into the basics of game development, which I do not know. Oh, okay. It's just doing stuff to the object with the script. So you can assign a script to an object from different languages. Sure. Sounds good. View on the side. Basically, script just do magic to C++ back in memory and calls any functions. Sure. I'm with you. I have a feeling I'm not going to be able to get what I want. Because I don't even really know how to explain what I want. Orientation's so hard. Perspective is so hard. Like I can't put the sink here because this wall is against the bedroom and that would be weird. I guess it wouldn't be too weird. The bathroom's right here inside the bedroom. Game mods for the game that don't have the engines published. Oh, okay. Okay, well, why don't we do this instead? Why don't we move these just like randomly off to the side here. Oh shit. And then we'll just grab one of these kitchens and put it up against the wall. I think I like this one's easiest to implement, probably. Doesn't really fit the vibe though. Maybe this one. This one? Yeah, I kind of like that one. Let's do this one. And if you haven't noticed, we are working on the condo. You know why? Because we finished Thyrus. And by we, I mean all of us. Check it out. You stuck with it. And we finished at least the map. All the little offices are all done now. Actually, I want to restart the game. I don't know why I haven't done that sooner. Okay, hold on. Now let's look at Thyrus. Perfect. So now you can see Genie getting lit on fire. Oh yeah, perfect. She's getting flamethrowed. So that's Genie's office. Here's another office. We have the floating ball, very fun office. Dealing with floating objects. We have the device office with crazy computer chips and shit. We have the polar bear office for cryogenics. Whatever. I animated the flames. It's using Mid-Journey animation, so I'm not going to go out of my way to make it look pixely. I mean, I could turn it into a GIF, but then the colors get all fucked up. We have the floating carrier vessel here that I'm working on with a little creeper. Here's Iona's. This is another main character. This is my mentor or whatever, my onboarder. And has a little device. And then we've got the wind turbine office. Sure, why not? And then I even added some, you know, oh shit, I didn't add the new map image. Wait, what? I thought I did do that. I have to add that. What? I thought I saved that. That's weird. I added Bylon too. Like the little in between. Let me see, let me grab it just in case I didn't. I'm not reanimating. Okay, good, it's still there. Yeah, I added the reception area for Bylon. This is where Andy 2 is gonna be. Who matches Andy 3? Or Andy 1. Alright, well, whatever. Yes, this is done. Oh, I also added the floor pieces too. Okay, so this, I don't have the newest one. Because I also added like the condo sector signs. Yeah. Extra doors and whatnot. But all the animations that I have in here so far look good. They work in. I like John's, I think, a lot. His little CNC router thing here is fun. The fish tank is ridiculous. And the rocket is ridiculous as well, but whatever. Also, the animation on the Tesla coils looks pretty bad. But whatever. So, progress-wise, I think I'm about 85% done with the demo. This is the demo. Progress-wise in Orbem, the entire game, I'm like 1% done. Ah! Now I'm on fire too. Yeah, I'm like 1%. This is the first 5 chapters of the first book. And there's 25 chapters, pretty much each book. So this is like 20% of book 1, which is like, I guess, 5% of the book. Yeah, of the whole series. So maybe I'm like 5% done. But yeah, as far as the demo that I'm launching with and launching the game engine with and stuff, I think I'm like about 85%. I need to finish working on the condo. I'll add the kitchen, and then I need to add the interactive Wing Chun and tatami mats that you can destroy with your katana, which is in the bedroom. And do a few tutorial things in here, pop-ups to let you know how to use transportation, how to use the katana, and switch weapons and stuff. And then I need to add maybe like 4 NPCs. I don't want to add every NPC to Thyrus because I'll end up spending a million days just doing that with all the cutscenes and all the animations of the NPCs doing their thing in their office. So, you know, most of them will be out to lunch until I get back to it. But yeah, after those NPCs are done, then I have to record all the voiceovers for Bylon. Any voiceovers I need to do for... You waiting for my game engine? Yeah, and then once the demo's done... Yeah, I did most of the voiceovers already. The only ones I haven't done yet are for Bylon, the restaurant. But like, if you hear... You'll hear my voiceover work.
Hello, Mr. Milford. Ahem.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I help you?
Hello, Mr. Milford.
It's good.
Oh, hello.
It's Dr. Negrescu. I'll be showing you to your station and getting you onboarded. Follow me, please.
Oh, whoops. Yeah, I kind of screwed that up because I'm touching her. Anyways, yeah, I did the voiceovers for all of Foresight, and I finished all the voiceovers for Thyrus. But I need to do Bylon, and I need to do all the little tutorial pop-up voiceovers. The chart voice makes it sound like you're in the AI building. Chart voice? What's chart voice? Oh, you mean the Google text-to-speech voice? Yeah, there's nothing I can do about that right now. Eventually, I will be hiring actual voice actors, and I'll have them do all the character voices, but that is not my highest priority. This is kind of just like a proof of concept that the game engine works. And I'll be doing the main character's voice throughout the whole game, and maybe 1 or 2 other characters. I haven't decided 100%. I know I'm going to be doing Calderon, who's a really old guy. I want to do the old man voice. But besides that, I don't know who else I'd want to do voice. The voice of... It'd be fun to do Cormir, the main bad guy from the fantasy universe. Because he's just fucking hilarious. He's such a dick. But, yeah. I also have my book narrator's voiceover work, which this is all dialogue from the book, so I can use him for one of the characters. Maybe a couple characters. He does a really good job changing his voice. But, you know, the female characters, I want to hire a female voice actor. Hopefully one that could do all of them. And, yeah. I don't know. But for now, you can just listen to me.
I can't help but notice how fast you walk.
Oh, sorry. I
Oh,
lost track of
sorry.
my velocity
It's just
of
the
times.
accents. I can't find like
It's part of
the
my
good
Patreon enhanced biomechanics.
Google
It
text-to-speech
allows a subject
in
to
English
function at
with the
5 times
accent.
the capacity of their
There's
average
other
physical
services that
capabilities.
offer that, but I
Reduced
don't know.
lactic buildup, muscle strengthening, mixed with increased flexibility results in a much higher speed of movement.
I don't know.
How do you accomplish this? For that matter, how did you get authorization to test it on yourself?
It's true.
You'll find that this
Yeah,
research facility
100%.
has a lot of pegs.
Yeah, so anyways, that's where I'm at. We're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah, so I'm going to probably offer beta testing to about like 10 people. You're going to need a WordPress website because it's a WordPress plugin. But Sama, thank you so much for hanging out, my friend. I will catch you in the next one. You hang out and do your thing. Good luck with your game engine. And let's add a kitchen. All right. Something like probably something closer to that. I'd like it to be bigger, so I think I'll maybe cut it off. The dragon has spoken. Let's actually rasterize this. Yeah, something more like that. And let's cut off this whole shit. Should be fine, little backsplash. Cool. Good enough. Now let's just add a little shadow. Give it depth. Cool. Alright. That'll twerk. Little kitchen. I think these are looking a little big. Wait, what? Where's the other one? Oh, up there. Okay. Sure. This all still looks too big. Let's... I think I'm gonna push this up a little bit higher. Let's see if we can do that. Oh, I can't go too high though. Then you're gonna have to see the whole fucking map. Alright, let's... Whatever. Let's just leave it like that. Having a hard time with this map. Maybe I can make this even smaller. Everything looks too spread out. sure. I can actually add this underneath a little bit. Why not? In fact, let's put them all on the pad. Let's move everything. Where is everything? Got that. Is it all of these? Yeah. 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 Okay. So like all this. Oh, shit. Wait, what? How did I miss the shadow? What? Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. This is really hard. I can't tell what I'm grabbing. There we go. And then let's move this down. Cool. Much better. Good. And then we'll have the tatami mats. And yeah, that's pretty much all I need. I could add an entertainment center or whatever, but I don't need to. Maybe I'll add a couch. Let's grab a quick couch. Any couches? Yeah, let's grab one of these couches. I'm gonna take you. There we go. Let's add a couple couches just because you need a couch. And I actually like the color already, so we'll just say they're condo. They're facility provided couches. Okay, cool. I think we're good. Now I need to save this out and add, you know what, let's get one quick thing that might make me feel better. Pixel art style. What are they called? I forget what they're called. Oh fuck. What are those called? They're dividers. Divider. Divider. What are the? Oh, here we go. What's this called? It's called a privacy screen divider. What are they actually called though? It's the room divider. Privacy screen. I know it has a name. Like this shit. It's called whatever. Fine. Rice paper room divider. No background. Cool. I want to put that right here for the whole bathroom sitch. Just makes more sense. Cool. Not exactly the angle I need. Let's put isometric perspective. Style raise, paper, non-divider, isometric perspective. No background. Cool. Alright, that didn't work either. I mean, I could probably like take some off of this, but that's just not doing it. Let's see if I can get like the top view. Top view of a white rice paper room divider. Maybe. No. Almost. Try again. Why won't it give me like a side view? I might just have to make it. God forbid that I make something. All right, hold on. All right, here we go. What I'm thinking is we'll grab some of this. Let's just do a black frame. And we'll just zigzag. It's probably going to look very bad. I'm trying to visualize what the hell would a divider look like in the room from this perspective. I don't really know. Yeah, it's hard. You know, looks like we're not getting anything. I mean, I might be able to get away with like a shower curtain, but even that, how would I do that? Probably something like this, right? And then we'd need like the bottom, and then the rest needs to be a curtain. Even that, I don't think it's going to work very well. But let's give it a shot. Alright. Okay. And then let's fill her up. And then let's try some fabric. Dirt. Wood. No. Fur. Maybe if I make this really big. Oh my god. It looks so stupid. I guess I should leave some of it open. And then we need the rings. That's about it. Oh, we drawing. You can always tell when I'm the one drawing something. Alright. Shower curtain rings. And I think I need some better shadow. Oh shit. I hate when it's connected. It's so stupid. Alright, we're drawing a shadow. Like, I get everything should have the same angle, but sometimes that's not how the world works. I don't know, man. This is so stupid. It's definitely not a natural thing to have in your bedroom. Like, what the fuck is that? Alright, whatever. I wasted my time. I get it. That's fine. We'll just leave it. Okay. I think I'm done. Let's call it quits. Take a stand on Fry. Why the fuck is this bigger than Thyrus? There's so much less in it. Hold on. Let's make sure I am... Yeah, see, it's all that extra shit. cropped. Now let's see how big it is. Still kind of big. It's $3.99 before for Thyris, which is weird. But I guess 3.4 is still good. Ram Condo. Alright, so let's add the new shit. Oh shit, sorry. Excuse my noise. Okay. I also need to upload the new version of Thyris, which I thought I did, but apparently I did not. So let's do that in case I did not. See, the fact that this one's smaller by default is kind of crazy. There's like literally nothing in Grabe's condo. Well, I don't know how it works. But this one is smaller. Smaller somehow. Alright. Those two should be uploaded now. Go. You. And I'm gonna have to definitely change the starting position and shit for that. And let's go to Cyrus, upload the new one, which I thought I had and I don't. do? Oh, I uploaded it. I just never used it. Oh, that explains it. Yo, C Films, how's it going, bud? Been a while. Doing pretty well. How about yourself? All right, let's see how it looks. New Thyrus. Looking good. I'm gonna go look around. You wait there, Iona. Ooh. Okay. Doing great. Good to hear. All right, everything's in there. Looks great. You're working on... Wait, what the fuck? That's not right. I should not be able to go in. There should be a blocker. That's good to know. What? What do you mean a new coding language? Are you learning a new coding language or you're creating one? That's what I want to know. And the game's going great, by the way. I'm about 88% done with the demo. Last 10% is going to be the boss fight. I got like 2% of more. Okay, maybe I'm more like 85%. I have to do some voiceover work. I have to do some NPCs. There's a lot of finishing things that I could do that I don't have to do, but I can do in order to launch the demo. But I don't know. We'll see. The main thing is to get this game looking as good as possible to show off what it can do. Have you heard of your new code? No, I have not. What's your new coding language? What is it? I must know. Yeah, let's see what the condo looks like. So I need to start me here now, which is where that would be 3309. McFly. Nice. Marty. That's awesome. What? I mean, I don't know. What's it all about? I guess it's kind of hard to explain a coding language, but what inspired you to write your own? That's really interesting. What inspired you to write your own coding language? That's what I want to know. 723. Okay, so that's fine. But now I need to delete and or move all these fucking walls I made. Yeah, so like that needs to go there now. That needs to go there now. Whoa. I need you way over here, buddy. Yeah. That should be good. Then we're going to need to move the room walls for sure. You. And this needs to be bigger, I think. Yeah. We'll just have to make a new one. Cool. You're inspired to write your own coding language. When the question, what would a new coding language designed by me look like? This question came to me a few years ago. Interesting. Do you have a language that you're basing it off of? Like it's like JavaScript or it's like PHP or... I wonder. You gotta move over here now. Perfect. Alright, well, at least now all the walls are in the right spot. Right? Oh shit. McFly is a math, statistics, and data analysis focused coding language. Like Python? I know it's being used a lot for data analysis and shit. Interesting. I would love to see how it's being used by you. All right. So now I have a few floating walls in here that were for the tatami, or for the Wing Chungs. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Here they are. I wonder if I can repurpose these. It's influenced by PHP, JavaScript, Python, SQL. Nice. And SQL. Interesting. Okay. Well, it's being developed in Python. So you would like install Python in order to use it. Kind of like I don't know. Cool. That's awesome. Is it going to solve something for you that you couldn't really get with another language? Or you're just like fucking trying it out? Is this kitchen? See, it's too small, huh? It should be bigger. It should come out to like here. I gotta make that kitchen bigger. Just can't tell until I get into it. Runs on top of Python. Oh, okay. That's cool. Yeah, more like that, I think. Yeah, something like that. Anything else in here that looks weird that I should redo? Couches were already fine. How's the shower? Fine. Toilet looks good scale. Bed looks good scale. Yeah, I kind of nailed all the other scaling. I think the treadmill's even pretty good. Yeah, treadmill's good. Bike is good. These weights, they're a little big, but they look good. Cool. I think I got it. Yeah, it's really only that kitchen that was bugging me. Right. Oh shit, sorry. Scared my dog. Oh, let's get this new one out there. You. Alright. One more time. I think I might like it's the variables, which are all number variables. We start with a hash sign. All string variable names start with a $sign. And all array names start with an @ sign. Interesting. Making an array different than a string and a number. I mean, what about objects? Is there another one for objects? Or is an object considered an array as well? I like the idea of differentiating. I mean, it's basically like instant typing. The language will already know without you having to decide that it's a number or parse it as a number because you're using a number symbol. So that's cool. I like the idea of typing by variable type. It's kind of a cool idea. Yeah, I'm into it. Yeah, that's cool. You go. All right, let's see if now the kitchen is not minified. Okay, there we go. Now that looks like a kitchen I can work in. Perfect. Cool. Still can't get in without transportation. Yeah, it's pretty good. Should not be able to do that. Right. The hell? What am I running into? Like an invisible wall. Oh shit. That's not a good wall to create. I need to create a delete button. Not hard to do, but not my priority right now. Alright, there we go. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah. Shouldn't be able to do that. Yeah, I should be able to go in front of them, but not on top of them. So I think this will work. I feel like I should be able to, yeah, do that. Put these on top actually. Yeah, so I should be able to overlap it a little bit. All right, those are all mapped out. Let's see, did I map out these good enough? Yep, those are good enough. Kitchen's good enough. Couches need to be done. Can just do this. Same thing for this. Cool. All right. I just got to get in the bedroom. Try that out. So we should be able to walk up here. Cover the toilet. Oh, I don't want to cover that though, so maybe I should stop myself right there. And right there. Cool. Now the bed. I should stop right about here. Maybe. Oh yeah, I can't grab it right away. I should stop myself from doing that. Alright. Yeah, that's good enough. And now katana. You'll have the katana now. And I wish to equip it. Yeah, now we have a katana, baby. Woo! Alright, cool. And now we're locked in the room. I like how the toilet's just chilling right there. Very man. Alright, cool. All I have to do now is add the tutorial stuff, and this will be done. But I need to finish up Thyrus first. So that's what we'll work on tomorrow. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to jump in the Thyrus. And I need to add some NPCs. Bottom line. I need to add Andy2, which is just a copy of Andy1. I need to add another idea, McFly is all built functions that return a true or false will end with in their function name. Interesting. So it's like asking a true or false question. A Boolean function type has a... So you're just trying to make shorthands for typing, like typing returns and typing variable types. It's cool. Very TypeScripty. I don't like TypeScript. Int 3.3. Oh, those are conditionals. So you're basically asking, like, is this an integer, true or false? Got it. That's cool. I like that idea. Yeah, I also have to block all these off too. All this new shit. Should not be able to walk on all these plants. Yeah, this is fine. I need to do something like this. Yeah, there we go. We'll do something like this. Something like this. Stepping on your plants. I do not like plants. Alright, that's fine. If Fly would be less typed than TypeScript. Yeah, which would be nice, because I think TypeScript's a little overkill sometimes. Like the whole typing schema thing is just like fucking annoying as shit. And maintaining it with other devs is so hard. Alright, so we should probably raise this up. Oh, can't do that. Should probably, yeah, fuck. I think PHP is a little undertyped. I mean, like, you're not typing every variable, but you are typing incoming, outgoing, parameters, that kind of stuff. But yeah, I could see it being a little bit more typed would be good. Alright, that's good enough. Oh, I already collected Genie, so this is already completely full. This should be stopping me here. Yeah, I should have to walk. Yeah, I shouldn't be able to do that. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh no, that kind of blocks me. Shit. Oh no, I'm not gonna be able to get through now. I guess that's fine. I can go around the tables. Should not, yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's not like completely logical perspective wise, but at least I can walk like in front of the table, hang out here. That'd be good for placing the NPCs and getting stuck. All right, now you. I definitely should be able to do this. I really do wish. Oh, I can make this a foreground, but I can't. I don't want. Because if I stand in front of it, if it's a foreground, then it won't work. It's kind of like I have to make the ball a foreground or a background. I don't know. Yeah, this one's kind of tough. Maybe I should just block you from walking over here. It's kind of a trip. Also, the fact that I can walk over this is not great. Oh shit, what just happened? I was phased. I didn't think phasing was still possible. Nice. Alright, I gotta stop. I'm getting sucked into this. I can do this on my own time. Cool. And these are all decent heights. Okay, I'm gonna head out. Sama, thank you so much for jumping on, my friend. Good luck on your game engine. I'm interested in what you're doing. Han Programmer, thanks for jumping on the YouTube Shorts live feed. Always great to see you come around and have some good combos. C Films, hey, good luck, my friend, on your coding language. I try it out, so hit me up. I'll give it a shot. Have a great one, Sama. Catch you in the next one. Everybody, have an amazing Friday Eve, and I will catch you probably tomorrow. We'll see. It's been pretty busy here with the holiday season and whatnot, but I'll give it a shot. Goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye.